Hi, I am Dr. Alejandro Junger, founder of the Clean program. I'm so glad that you're here considering our new Clean Gut Repair program. As you may know, I've been talking about detoxification and gut repair since before 2008. Many of you may have even tried our signature Clean 21 and Clean 7 detox programs. But the fact is that most of us are walking around with some degree of gut damage. When the gut wall gets permeable, leading to leaky gut or hyperpermeability, inflammation is turned on in a systemic way, and we start experiencing symptoms and later on get diagnosed with diseases all over the body. Health and disease start in the intestines, said Hippocrates more than 2,000 years ago. So the best way to avoid the breakdowns of aging, which is not normal, is to repair your gut. And that is why I am so excited to bring you the most comprehensive gut repair program out in the market. Click on our link to sign up today. Don't miss it.